So this is the Frani center console 5-piece kit here that I have, and this is the white color. There's a pink color as well. First off, thank you to the company for sending this out to me to try out. So this is going to add a nice touch of white to your car. So if you've got the white interior already, this would be really nice to add. So first off, quick unboxing here, show you what's in the box. You got the armrest cover right there, nice and white. So this is the silicone that will go around the rear view mirror. And then you have these white pieces here for the steering wheel. Add a nice white touch to it. That's the silicone that's going to go around the screen. And then this is the part that's going to go on the center console. So it'll turn it from the black color to the white color. And then there's the installations right there. It's just some adhesive, just like that. So you stick it on there. So let me get this out into the car and show you what that looks like. So I've got it all installed in my car here. You can see how nice it looks. Adds a nice white accent. Since I've got the white seats, matches perfectly. It looks so nice. So here on the steering wheel, you got that. That looks super cool. Like that Tesla logo on there. Here you got the armrest cover right there, so that is nice. If yours is damaged or you want to just protect it and make it white, that is really nice. And this was the adhesive you put on there. Makes it this nice flat kind of glossy white, super smooth. Everything still opens perfectly, so that is super nice touch as well. Then here you got the edge protector for the screen there. It's this nice silicone, fits perfect. And then here on the rear view mirror as well. So yeah, if you like that and you're looking to do something like that for your car, make sure you check the set out.